So let me hear your 59p bass.
Actually, it's just with the tone all the way up.
Okay, just straight into the amp.
This all the way up and all the way up.
Okay, we're gonna kick it up.
It's just
Lost nothing.
wider range.
It's booming.
Yeah, but musical. It's not like overtones. It's just very punchy. I used to record at the record plant in the 70s, and it was just simple. You just walk in, plug in your Fender Jazz bass into the board.
Right.
They had a Pultex. The guy would go like this. Okay, you're ready to go, and it was just like that. You hear it back on on the big speakers, and it just sounds. It just cuts. It's just, without it, it's not very inspiring, is it?
No.
Yeah, it's great. I love it. It just makes it so much more fun to play with, more inspiration, because you're not limited by that. And back in the day, the only way to get this into this was by just grabbing it and sticking it in here.
Right.
Which is what you really want to avoid, because this is a it's a vintage instrument.
Carve it up.
But we used to.
Yes, we did.
I did that to my 6. You did it to yours. Did it. Marcus Miller did it to his bass. That's why it looks like that. That's pretty, but nevertheless,
it's not what it was.
It's not
Once
what it was. Yeah, yeah. What's great about it, if you slap with an overdrive, it's gonna be noisy. It's not gonna have the definition between notes. It's gonna sound overdriven. It's gonna sound like noise, basically noisy. This sounds there's tone, there's guts. You know what I mean? So it's perfect. To me, it sounds as good or even better than plugging it into a vintage amplifier. Because you're dealing with a vintage amplifier, you're dealing with the tubes.
Right.
What's the condition of the tubes? Are they,
Are they made today like they were then? If you ever had to replace them at any
exactly. Where are you going to find tubes that are equivalent to 1960s, 1970s tubes today? Who makes them?
No one.
Nobody. So what we're doing right now, we're taking this. It's a wonderful little amplifier.
It really is.
Yeah, it's awesome. About £1.50 pounds. You add the pedal. I've used it in the studio as a DI, and you take a vintage instrument, and you get, and this is like unbelievable. I just love it. It's wonderful. And it's the beauty of this is like. Still there, no matter how, like when your wife starts yelling, you turn it down, trying to sleep, or trying to watch the Housewives of Pacoima, whatever. You turn it down. The tone's still there, it's the same. Or really, being serious about it. If you're on stage and the front of the house guy says, listen, can you turn it down a little bit? Because you might be too loud on stage. Take it down. Here you go. You still have the same tone. It's not like you have to deal like the combination of the gain and the
Right, as it
volume.
falls
You know,
off.
it's just it's a nightmare. You know, so this way it's just very simple. Just bring, or if you need to, if the other guys get too excited during the show and they get a little louder, you go okay, bump it up a little bit. You know, this is perfect. Perfect.
I want to thank you for your time,
Thank
for
you
your
so
request.
much. Thank you for building this for all of us. This belongs to all of us.
LA Vintage Gear.
Yes. Thank you for having us here.
LAVintageGear.com.
And this is available here.
This is available here as of today. As of today.
Awesome.
Awesome.
Thank you, Mark.